Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a very interesting and a new topic, factorization. Factorization, you are doing it in the previous classes also. So, what is factors? So, the process of writing an expression as a product of two or more expression is known as factorization. So, each expression occurring in the product is called the factor of the given expression. Okay, so we can make the factors by different methods. First, we'll start from the very easy, that is a factorization by taking out the common factor. Then we will do the factorization by grouping method. So I'll explain factorization by taking out the common factor with the help of an example. So suppose the question is 5x square minus 20xy. There are two terms and we have to see what is common in both the terms. Like see, here we can see 5 and 20. In 20, 5 is also a factor of 20 and here it's x square, here it's x. So what is common in both the terms? 5 and then x. So what is left? Here it was x square, so only x is left, minus 20, 5 is out, so 4y. So what are the factors? 5x into x minus 4y. Okay. So I'll take one more example. 5a into b plus c minus 7b, b plus c. So in this question also there are two terms and we have to see what is common in both the terms. So we can see here b plus c is the common factor of both the terms. So we'll take out b plus c and we'll put it in a bracket. So what is left? 5a minus 7b. So these are the two factors of this given expression. Next, question number 8, that is 6 into 2a plus 3b whole square minus 8 into 2a plus 3b. Again in this question we have to see the common factors. So 6 and 8 both have a common factor 2, as well as the second thing 2a plus 3b, here it exists 2 times, here in the second expression it exists 1 time. So what is common? 2 into 2a plus 3b is common. So in the bracket what is left? Out of 6, 2 is out, so 3 into 2a plus 3b, we have to put it in a bracket because 3 is going to multiply with the whole term, minus 4. So when we open the bracket, here it becomes 6a plus 9b minus 4. So in this way we can take out the common factors. I'll take one more example, like this is question number 6. X into a minus 5 plus y into 5 minus a. Up now see in this question, children, both what is common in both the terms? It's a minus 5, but the thing is in the second term it's 5 minus a. What we have to do, they have the opposite signs. If we have to make it a minus 5, we will take out negative sign common. Okay, so x into a minus 5 plus, what I'll do here, I'll take out negative sign common, so it becomes minus y a minus 5. Negative sign we will take out common, positive term will become negative and negative term will become positive, and we'll put it in a square bracket. Now here we can see this is plus, this is minus, so plus minus is minus, so x into a minus 5, this will be minus now, into y minus y into a minus 5. Now in both the terms we can see a minus 5 is common. So what is left? X minus y. So a minus 5 and x minus y are the factors of the given expression. In these questions we have done the factorization by taking out the common factor. The next method of factorization is a grouping method. Sometimes what it happens, it's not possible to take out the common factor directly. So what we have to do, we have to rearrange the terms of the given expression in such a way that we will make the terms have a common factor. Okay, so this I can explain you with the help of questions. Question is x square plus xy minus 2xz minus 2yz. First, what we will do, we'll take the first two terms and the last two terms and we will check anything common. Now, in the first two terms, we can see x is common. So, what is left? X plus y. In the last two terms, here it's minus, we'll put here minus only. And what else is common? 2 into z. Now in the bracket, what is left? X. Now we have taken out negative sign out. So whenever outside negative sign, always remember the next term sign will change. If it is negative, it becomes positive. If it is positive, it becomes negative. So it becomes x plus y. Now we can see we have two terms with x plus y is the common factor. Now x plus y is common. So what is left? X minus 2z. So these are the two factors of this given expression. We can take one more question. X square plus y minus xy minus x. Again, we can see here, if I'll take the first two and the last two, in the first two nothing is common. So in this case, what we have to do, first we have to rearrange these terms. What I'll do now, I will take x square minus x. I am taking the first and the last term I have brought it here, plus y into x minus y. Or you can take x square minus xy plus y minus x. Both the methods are correct. Okay, so I will explain both. First, you will see this one. So in the first two, what is common? X. And in the last two, what is common? Y. So x into x minus 1 plus here y is common. So what is left? 1 minus x. Now you can see here, it's same as the previous question. First term has x minus 1, second term has 1 minus x. So we have to change the sign. So what we will do, we will negative sign, we will take out common. So it's positive. When I'll take out negative sign common, it becomes plus minus, it will be minus. Minus y into x minus 1. So now see in both the terms, what is common? X minus 1 and what is left then? X minus y. So x minus 1 into x minus y are the factors. Or if we'll rearrange the terms in this way, x square minus xy plus y minus x, then first two and the last two. First two, what is common? X. So what is left? X minus y. Similarly, when in the last two terms we can see nothing is common. So what is a common factor of all the terms? 1. 1 is always, remember, this is a common factor of any number or any term. Okay, so 1, when we will take out common, what is left? Y minus x. So again, it's see, we can see the signs are different and we have to make their signs same. So what I'll do, from the second term negative sign I will take out common, plus minus it becomes minus. Minus 1 into x minus y. So factors are, again both the terms we can see x minus y is common. So what is left? X minus y into x minus 1. See, both the answers are same. So either you rearrange the terms like this or in this way. Both the methods are correct. Now we will move to question number 15. So 4a minus 1 whole square minus 8a plus 2. So in this, what we will do, first term we will not open with the formula a minus b whole square. In the last two we can see something is common. So what is common in the last two terms? 2. So what is left? Minus 2 into 4a minus 1. Again I am explaining why it's minus 1, because outside it was negative sign and And as I told earlier also, whenever negative sign is out, the next term sign will change. If it is positive, it will become negative. If it's negative, it becomes positive. Now we can see there are two terms. What is common in both the terms? 4a minus 1. So what is left here? It was twice. It was square. So it will 4a minus 1 minus from here 2. So 4a minus 1 into 4a minus 3 are the factors. Next question is question number 21. So AB into x square plus y square minus xy into a square plus b square. So again, in both the terms, nothing is common. So what we will do, we will first open the brackets. AB x square plus AB y square minus xy a square minus xy b square. Now what we have to do, we have to rearrange the terms. What I am doing, I am bringing the first and the third term together and the second and the last term together. Okay. After that, I will see what is common in the first two terms and the last two terms. Now we can see in the first two terms what is common, a and x. Okay, so what is left in the bracket? Bx minus ay. Similarly, in the last two terms, what is common? Y and b. So what is left? Ay minus bx. Okay, now we can see in both the terms, these brackets are same, bx minus ay and ay minus bx. Only the difference is of signs. So what we have to do, we have to take out negative sign common. So from the second term, I will take out negative sign common. Outside it's positive. So positive and negative, it becomes negative. So minus yb bx minus ay. So ax into bx minus ay plus minus minus yb bx minus ay. Got it? Now we can see in both the terms bx minus ay is common. So what is left? Ax minus yb. So these two are the factors of the given expression. Now last question for today. X square plus 1 by x square minus 2 minus 3x plus 3 upon x. Now here you can see we have 5 terms. Generally in the previous questions we have got 4 terms, but here it's an odd number of terms. So there are 5 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how we have to do the grouping? First what we will do, I'll take the 3 terms together and the last 2 terms. If we'll see it carefully, this becomes a formula x minus 1 by x whole square, because x minus 1 by whole square is a minus b whole square. So x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. It's cancelled. So what we will do, we will replace the first 3 terms with x minus 1 by x whole square. And in the last 2 terms, what is common? 3. So it's minus 3 into x, outside negative sign. So next sign will change. It changed to minus 1 by x. Now we can see in the first and the last term, what is common? X minus 1 by x. So what is left? X minus 1 by x from the first term, and from the second term minus 3. So x minus 1 by x and x minus 1 upon x minus 3 are the factors. So on today's concept, you will practice the complete exercise 4a. Thank you.